everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shalenji Yadav, your interview coach. Today I have picked an important topic which is mostly searched by many of you and close to the heart of many viewers. Crafting your LinkedIn profile for maximum job visibility and success, which makes job search quickly and easy. Today we will be discussing here tips to maximizing your LinkedIn presence, followed by getting to know your prospective companies, means research about the job companies before applying for a job, how to target most paying and hiring companies, and then followed by optimizing your application strategy, which helps you making your job search quick and easy in less time. Whether you are a recent graduate or seasonal professional looking for a career change or a career boost, this video is for you. We will explore into essential steps and strategies to rationalize your job search process, helping you to land your dream job sooner. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because this really motivates me and supports to me research and create more useful content related to interview. Now let's dive into the tutorial, and the first segment is maximizing your LinkedIn presence. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professionals. It connects you with colleagues, employers and opportunities. Here is how you can make the most of your LinkedIn profile by these 5 tips. First, by choosing professional profile picture. Choosing a clear, high-quality photo with a friendly expression and make a simple background. Your face should take 75% of the frame to make a positive impression. Choosing a professional profile picture for LinkedIn is crucial as it sets the first impression for your professional network. Second, by designing a standout LinkedIn headline. Your headline should highlight your current role or specialty. For example, instead of mentioning software engineer, try full stack developers. Designing a standout LinkedIn headline is crucial for making a strong impression and capturing attention of the recruiter and hiring managers. Third, creating a custom LinkedIn URL for enhanced visibility. Creating a custom LinkedIn URL is a great way to enhance your professional visibility and make your profile more memorable. Make your LinkedIn URL unique and easy to share. For example, managing your privacy settings on LinkedIn helps you control who can see your profile and activity. Ensuring your information is shared according to your preferences. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure your LinkedIn profile is shared in a way that aligns with your personal and professional needs. Adjusting your settings to make your profile visible to all recruiters and hiring managers. You can let recruiters know you are open to opportunities without notifying your current or previous employers. This is how you can do this by simply open your LinkedIn profile and click here. Now click on Find a Job, fill out all the required information regarding the kind of job you are seeking. After that, LinkedIn gives you 2 options. If you select these options, recruiters at your company will not be alerted that you are looking for a job change. However, if you are already informed at your current employer that you will be leaving, then you can enable this option. By doing so, your profile picture will also change and will have a hashtag of open to work. Everybody can see and approach you. Last but not the least, fill out all the sections such as salary, work experiences, certifications, or any professional license in your LinkedIn profile. So, when you have prepared your LinkedIn profile, it's time to research. Here is what you need to do. Identify your target companies. The search companies you would love to work. First, follow them on social media to stay updated on job search and openings. I will tell you about a great hack over here. Go to your Google or ask to the ChatGPT and type top most companies to work in 2024. Here you will find a whole list of companies which are amazing to work and have a great work culture. Do a little bit of research. From here, you can see the industry and the company size. If you will click here, you will be directed to the company's profile and website. Read about this and make an informed decision. Remember, networking is a powerful and important tool in job searching. And attend industry-related events, webinars, and conferences. This is a great way to meet potential employees and make connections. Fifth, complete your profile. Fill out all sections including your summary, work experience, skills and endorsement, volunteer experiences, recommendations, accomplishment, certifications and license, contact information and many more. A complete profile is more attractive to potential employers. Completing your LinkedIn profile effectively is essential for making a strong impression and increasing your visibility to potential employers, clients, and connections. Now move forward to the second segment, which is getting to know your prospective companies. Identify your companies you would love to work for and follow them on social media. To stay updated on job openings, use resources like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Career Builders, Simply Hired, ZipRecruiters, Indeed, Monsters, and others. Set up jobs alert for relevant positions. Getting to know prospective companies is crucial for a successful job search. Understanding a company culture, values, and work environment helps you to determine if it is the right fit for you or prepares you for interviews. Attend industry events, webinars, and conferences to meet potential employers and build connections. Now come to the third segment, which is optimizing your application strategies. Your application strategy is crucial. Customize a separate resume for each job you apply for. Tailor your CV to match the specific job requirement and don't forget to read the job description carefully. After applying, follow up with the HR department to show your enthusiasm and commitment. Write a professional email to inquire about the next step. Here you can do this by using this follow-up template. Remember, job searching is a continuous learning experience. Continuously develop your skills to stay competitive in the job market. Read job description to understand which skills are in demand and pursue relevant certifications or courses. Job searching is a great opportunity for growth. Stay ahead in the job market by continuously improving your skills. So this is for all today, a complete guide to making your job search quick and easy. So if you found this video is helpful, please like and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.